Don't run. Don't run. He's playing with you. He's trying to be your friend. Do not run. Do not run. Say Romeo. Romeo. Good boy. Good boy.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Welcome to Karu Waterfall.
I'm the highest in the room.
So welcome back to my channel. My name is Nerichi, and today we are here at Karu Waterfall with my girls. Mommy! So we are here at Karu Waterfalls. We want to see how this place looks like and probably swim. So yeah, let's take a look at this place. Guys, so headed to Karu Waterfall and we're about to walk. They said it's a very long distance. Why I told you guys to wear sneakers. Let me show you guys the road. I have a tour guide. We saw him and he decided to take us to the place because it's an empty place. We definitely appreciate him because he's doing so well. He said it's like 10 minutes ride from here. So you know what 10 minutes ride is, guys. Welcome to the most beautiful waterfalls in Nigeria, which is called the Karu Waterfalls, and it can be seen in the heart of Abuja, in Karu precisely. This is one of the most beautiful sights you would love to see, and I'm excited to show you what this place looks like. Going into the Karu Waterfalls, I'm going to be giving you guys few tips that you need to know before you come here. Make sure you're not alone. Make sure you're in the midst of friends, because this place or the road to this place, it's actually a lonely and a deserted forest. So you wouldn't want to come here alone for security reasons, being the fact that this is a deserted forest. The next tip I will be sharing with you guys is make sure you have a tour guide. Because being the first time of coming here, we didn't know the road to the waterfalls. So we met a villager who took us. So when coming, make sure you have someone to take you to this place. The next thing I'm going to talk about is the road to the waterfalls. When coming, make sure you're fully clothed from head to toe. Make sure you're wearing your long trousers, your big tops, and your sneakers, most importantly, because there is a whole lot of climbing to do. How many minutes so far? Guys.
Throw me down.
I'm sorry. Hey guys, so we are here at Karu Waterfalls. Apparently there are two of them. This is one. As you can see the water over there. So from here we are going to the second location as well. But yeah, let's see how this place goes.
I dare you, I double dare you, I triple dare you. I triple dare you. You're going with your shoe? Oh no, 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 no. Are you kidding me?
You're supposed to use this phone. Let me come and join you.
Let's come to you this one. I want to join you guys. It's not fair. I want to do.
Now, let's talk about this fall without laughing. So, if you're coming to Karu Waterfalls, make sure you get your sneakers on because the rocks are slippery. So, you cannot come to this place barefooted or with the slippers. The sneakers will help you walk comfortably on these rocks without the fear of falling down.
I'm feeling high.
The entry.
I'm feeling
Continuing video.
Easy, girl.
This is Karu Waterfall. Make sure you put your head inside the water.
I'm feeling
Guys, I removed my wig. Jesus Christ. Oh my
Just
God.
look
It's my wish.
Oh, yeah. Guys, so we're out from here. We're going to the second location where there's also a waterfall. So let's go check that out. Our body is so wet, like we had lots of fun. You should come here. It's so much fun.
I'm feeling
Take it easy with your steps. So,
I'm feeling
This is our resting point.
I'm feeling
okay, so we're here at the second location. This is lesser. The water is not a lot. So, yeah, my body is wet. I was able to enjoy the other one. So, yeah, let's check it out. What about this food? What is here? Let's Waterfalls, which is located in the heart of Abuja in Karu. Everyone in Abuja says it's a very long distance, but it's really not. So from my Tama to here, it's 47 minutes away, so it's not really far. But you need to come here once in a while to have fun, because this place, as you can see, I'm drenched. The water is so cool and chill, and this is a place I can just come, sit down, take pictures, and have fun. And it's a very good view. Like, take a look at this. They're like around. Yeah, come back to me. So guys, I'm going to give you tips on what you need to know when coming here. When coming here, make sure you come in groups, come with a group of friends, because coming here alone will not be fun. Another thing, make sure you're fully clothed. You have your trousers, your tops, and your sneakers. Your sneakers most importantly, because these rocks are very slimy and slippery, so you have to wear sneakers to hold. And before you get to Karu Waterfalls, you have like 5 to 10 minutes walk from the express, from the junction to this place. But in all, it's actually a very good experience. I came with my friends. Kim, come say hi. This one day, she's so scared. And I came with a tour guide. So while coming here, I didn't come with anybody, but I saw a guy on the road and I told him to help us, to help bring us here. Apparently he's a villager and he's been so nice. He's the one handling the camera. Thank you so much, sir. We are grateful. So yeah, let me go and swim. Let me go and put myself inside water because I feel like I need to. Yeah, I'm going over there.
Get your ass down here! Get your ass down here! Right now! We should have gotten where?
Tell me what you think about here.
I think it's south. If I know this, I will be. I will not come. I'm not free for this time.
Okay. Kim, what's up? How do you feel about here?
Lovely.
I know.
It's actually good for picnic.
Okay.
And just gathering, drinking.
Your
you know,
bikinis.
Your bikini.
Because you're going to enter water. Period.
Very nice.
One negative review, one belief.
I'm telling you, one negative review, yo, because she was scared. And these stuffs are very slippery. So yeah, that's almost like it. And I can't do that video like that. Guys, this is so fun. Like, took my wig off to show you guys how fun this is. Like, when inside the water, my body is wet and we're going back home. We're done. So yeah, it's a place that you should come back to. Okay guys, we are out of the Karu Waterfalls, looking like mad people with wet clothes. We didn't carry change of clothes, so yo, have a change of clothes when you come here. Exactly, we did it for you, so you guys can see places to visit in Abuja. Yo, and please especially subscribe to our channels, like the video and share it as well, so that people can watch. Okay, so we come your way next time. Bye.